This is the Alfra KFH 150 beveler. This is our smallest unit of 7 different bevelers that we manufacture in our plants in Germany. And this is the beveler that is the type that you move over the material in order to do your deburring or your beveling. And this beveler actually will give you a range of beveling depending on the type of cutter that you're using or the type of end mill that you've got in it, up to, well, from 0 up to a little over 5/16. And in order to accomplish the 5/16, generally on a rougher you can take 1 pass, but you're going to take a couple passes with this type of a beveler. Some of the features of this beveler, and all the bevelers that we manufacture, are a very simple off-on switch, also a variable speed control, which in this case allows you to go from 8 thousandths all the way up to 30,000 RPMs on this unit. It also has a separate collet head that separates from the body of the high torque motor. We have plates in here that can be adjusted. You basically turn these plates over in order to do very, very thin materials. And you can adjust this unit by manipulating the head tightener right here, this handle. And once you loosen the head will move according to how you adjust it with this adjustment screw. So in other words, you're looking at a depth indicator here, which is right now set at about 3 millimeters or about 1/8. In order to lessen that depth of cut, you just turn your dial or you turn your knob clockwise, and then you can go down to 0 if you wish. Or if you want to back it up and go back up, all you do is take it out and then bring your head back by hand, and instantly you're back to that approximately 8 millimeter. Tighten up your head and you're ready to go. Very simple operation. If you'll go to our change out video, you'll see how easy it is to change out the tooling. In this case, we're using a universal for steel, stainless steel, and cast iron end mill. And as I said in our end mill video, in order to give longevity in your deburring ability, all you do is remove your head and move your end mill in order to get a new cutting surface. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to make a pass about 1/8 inch on this piece of I-beam. And we've set the drill in this case to number 4, which is about 20 thousandths. But as you can see, the end mill is rotating in the collet. You basically maintain pressure with your right hand against the material. You maintain your flat angle on the material with your left hand. And you will hear immediately, I've made a pass before, so we're going to get back into it right here. A good, slow, steady movement produces excellent results. You can also come back and go over if you do happen to get some irregularities in your movement. There's also an arrow indicator that shows you the direction that you should go at all times. In this instance, we've used what we call our 25152 cutter, and you will see an almost perfectly smooth finish. This is our KFH 150 Alfra beveler.